trying to drink the whole thing without burping. This is kind of like a Sprite, but Canada Dry. It's like healthier, I guess. I'm gonna speed it up real quick. Good. I caught that in burp. Excuse me.